Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV debut. I know business you don't like it. I tell you already, Kevin can't talk me on my face. How long me a blood clot wait for meet you, pussy. Huh? All when you get the chance to see me face to face, you try bust me head from behind. So you're not real, bro. You can't pull the wool over me, bro. 5 years plus. Manners and respect, my brothers. Bear love, you know. Love. Yeah? 5 years plus the pussy them's been using. They've been hacking my fucking, they send gal for T-phone out of my yard, brethren. Enough things me even talk, you know. Them send woman for T-phone out of my house. About 2 phone T-phone out of my house already. How about that? See? All contents off of my phone them I use them and I hack my Facebook and I post up the pictures. Why the people them feel like I'm me. Because certain pictures could only come out on my phone, you see me? Yeah man, be a love lady V, you know the chop. So you see when you see, after all said and done, the same little pussy hole, cut face boy, I post up my picture with my blood clot driving license. Huh? When I walk I tell people say me a inform a pussy hole. Me no inform for nobody in my life. Huh? Never in my fucking life. I'm not even gonna get angry because I'm just walking on a reason with my people them. Never in my life. No boy, no girl, nobody. Me. Inform pan. So that means somebody when me I do the same fucking dirty work as them. Me go switch sides now and go sit down with police and tell them what? Let me tell you this, Kevin. From the day your brother dead and you are work with police, you're a little idiot, blood clot, brother Roger. Saying, and let's start the thing then, man. Cause since today is the day at 6 o'clock, you want everybody to go up on your little idiot Facebook. Come we all go up on your Facebook 6 o'clock pussy wall. Because it's Sunday 7 o'clock. It's Sunday 7 o'clock batty wall. We not even start upon you. Me never even start, I'm about to start on your pussy clot and your whole family now. Me telling you already, when it come on social media, you know I fuck you with my playground, brethren. You know I fuck you with my playground. I've been on my bike's ready. I've been a humble youth, holding it for so long, waiting to see certain man. Enough man hiding. Roger run well like pussy, can't come back a Brixton. Where you there, Roger? Oh, nobody no ask. Huh? Nobody no ask. Them boy there with them there. Huh? Don't feel like no boy can style me in life. Don't. I'll put down music, pick up back my gun and start come for some of you pussies. No man ain't styling me. It's respect for respect. Disrespect for disrespect. A matter of fact, the whole of that side, the whole of them boy, they forgot suck them mother. And don't even blood clot mention back my name again. Idiot them. Saying, cause when we are bad boy, we not pick up people picture and find blood clot, driving license and I try expose that. We want to find your yard pussy and expose you. We don't want to put up picture. So when you try twin me up with Afua Rose, I don't understand. Show me support the woman them. Me always support the woman them. You on the other hand, batty wall, we always a blood clot molest the woman them, trouble the woman them, draft him blood clot, what them call, vulnerable woman, never a strong blood clot woman you have around you. Always some blood clot, idiot, needy, bumbo clot, wanty woman. Yeah, where you can manipulate pussy. Try it with me, I'll kick out your fucking face. Try that. And any one of your team. Any one of them. You see me? Boy, they feel like we're broke and hungry. Pussy, we're not broke. And we're not hungry, boy. We're not hungry like no foul, no. You see me? My general. Legal. This I can take a ride.
Yeah, it's to bike. I mean, it's good bike, but
yeah.
It's gonna slow you. See?
Yeah, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, man. I go for that journey. Yeah, man, I go for that journey. What club people nearly drop off or something, there, man. No, what kind of gear? Alright, so I go on a journey then. Seeing I tell you, so some boy I don't know what them I talk about in our life, you know. They just want to stifle man, bruv. If you're a real youth, brethren, go help the youth them in a Brixton pussy wall where you're a businessman. 1 minute you're a businessman, next minute you're emotional strategist. You ain't no emotional fucking strategist for what? They got little stinking, little blood clot fishy funny girl Afro belly I talk about me a informer. Where you find that information there from dirty stinking crutches girl? No must the body whole blood clot Kevin. So the whole of una work together I try style man, don't fuck around. That's all me I say. We're good people but don't, yo, I swear all the seat I move, the gear I change, we can light up that gear, yeah. No. That one I feel like it gone even harder, yo, killer weird though. Well on people, there came a time when man have to jump off a bike. Come on, need to twist up. You see me? Gear change for me and them something that get stiff, I got one hill. I say, bumbo clad. Better me park up and build. Park up, rest up, right just so. And build. So yes, I don't find it good for no man to feel like say, I'm made them war style. No. You have a problem with your friend. The last thing you're gonna do is post up a picture with of your friend or your so-called person, yeah, with their driving license. But you're calling me an informer. I'm not going no police for uno. I'm not going no police for uno. When would I do that? For you, Kevin. Me. Bad man, me a bad man in a youth. I want to them little boy, yeah, man. Kevin, me a bad man for you. And you idiot, brother. Pussy, I want to know, man. Do no research, pussy wall, man. I walk up and down with little pussy wall, white Justin. And next little crackhead pussy when me defend as well. And next little informer one who know style up and I go like say my bad boy for me. Eh? None of these little battyos are bad boys for me. No Kevin, no Roger, no white Justin that tries to be low, no little Eminem. None of these little pussies are bad boys for me. Me, we defend them. When the Adams family rob you pussy, I all come for your fucking food and collect it back. But you all don't fuck with me. Cause me can talk everything cause me do it. Yeah? When they rally back round at your grandmother's house, I will jump on R1 and bomb class circle with things. Don't style me, no man. See? The little informer one when I'm scared. Delroy Thomas. The whole of wanna stay there, wanna play with me. Anyhow there's a statement of Killer P brethren. Find that pussy clout and bring that. Otherwise don't chat to me. Batty wall. Cause if me inform upon somebody's supposed to be there at jail. And somebody's supposed to be vexed with Killer P. So all them the little false narrative where people are run up and down. And then when people are question people, oh, you know them boy there. Oh, I don't know him like that, you know. Well, since uno no bomber clot know who are going and who is who, when it suit uno, don't fucking talk. Don't make me hear nobody mention my pussy clot name. Cause I'm ready to kick down enough pussy clot people. I'm not the baddest thing on planet Earth, but I defend my corner fully. Me not care about people, you know. Oh, just as I said, jump up on my little blood clot, but I don't know what to some people I try to fuck with energy. You can't fuck with mine. Can't fuck with my energy. No fucking way. Look at waste people. They've not done fuck all with their life. Let me explain something. Little Andy dead. I left 3 blood clot Rolex for them. Ask them where's their Rolex who now? Huh? Look at Andy dead and left a full house full of Versace, furniture, everything. Ask them where's that now? Ask them, what have you done with your brother's dead left? No boy can't chat to me. Cause first things first, no boy couldn't kill my people them and I walk up on pussy clock down and live on the same road again. As me, that wouldn't happen. That could never happen. That would never ever happen. That could never happen in life. Never. I'll dash with everything and go and kill everybody. You couldn't chop my people. And you're walking up and down talking about, oh, I'm an emotional strategist. So I'm to your dead brother. Oh, my brother said, anytime if he ever passes, don't ever move for him. Your brother never said that. Your brother never said that. Let me just clear that up as well. Let me clear up some things. Little Andy never did rape Roger. I never did rape Kevin. He thought there were two little snotty-nosed pieces of shits that wanted to be like him. So he never really raped them, you get me? So I used to be the person that used to drive Andy up and down in my white Peugeot before I sold it to the little snotty-nosed pussy old Roger. See? So you see when people want to talk and go on like, say, oh, yeah, well my brother says, your brother never said none of that shit. He didn't want nothing to do with you, pussy-os. That's why he was bringing in other people out of road rather than bringing in his own fucking little brothers. Yeah, so let the fucking truth be told. These little fucking little clout chasing pussy-os. Clout chasing pussy-os. I just want to say, and I just want to clear up. Because when I get back to the UK, I ain't done. We're just getting fucking started. And I ain't gone looking for nobody. But I will be looking for a few people when I get back. Because I've had enough. Yeah, and since whatever your plots and plans you want, plot and plan, you have to go execute that when you see me pussy. Yeah, and that me I make you know, son. It's alright to me, man. It's who gets there fucking first, you can. You know what I mean? No business about them boy, yeah, man. Baboon, yeah, man. No time for them. Anyway, I'm about to run back into the studio. Come here, I'm fully padded up here, figure though. And you don't know when business is booming. Ain't got time for these little pussies, man. Go back at my little house on the prairie. You see me? Yeah! Have vibes with that part. Good vibes. But we still have to put pussy in their place. Put them in their place, killer. That whole snotty-nosed family is a Obia family. You see me? I'll be a them people around there. Be a I go on around there. So, because my life clean, and we're not dealing with you see me? Left them killer. Because man see me and can't do me nothing. And any one of them try something, I swear I bomb up the whole of their blood clot yard, everything. So make them stay there, because I'm gonna have to incriminate myself. The world knows what time it is. Even down to the fucking police know what time it is. That's why they call me, oh, you're an informer, you're an informer, you're an informer. But it's you saying pussy, oh, sending the police to my house. How can this be? How can this be? Gotta laugh at them, man. Gotta laugh at them, Bridget. You get me? Big up New Zealand family, you don't know, it's beer love. Hopefully I get to cover that side at some point this year. Clear off the chest killer. Yeah man. They're gonna try everything to get me out. Like they ain't already tried, but I'm just saying, never gonna work, mate. Never gonna fucking work, you cunt. You get me? Never gonna work. Your brother killed your brother. Imagine that. Roger killed little Andy. No one don't know that. Roger killed his brother without even knowing. He set up his own brother for dead and didn't even know. That's how gangster you pussies are, innit? That's how bad you boys are, innit? That's how bad you are. Wind up, breeze and blow. Not stopping. Stopping till I get back. When we start, is it? Things trying to send me back down the road. Right. What? Yep. That definitely clear off the chest, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Right there.